going to start problems on residue and poles. The present given question is find the residue of z e power z by z minus 1 whole cube at its pole, z square by z power 4 minus 1 at those singular points which lie inside modulus of z equal to 2. I mean here we need poles and residues for both the functions. Solution. The first given function is given function f of z equals to, let f of z equals to z e power z by z minus 1 whole cube. Okay, now the function defined in terms of z, so its name can be taken as f of z, for which we need poles and residues. First, to find pole of f of z. To get pole of f of z, equate denominator to 0. If denominator is 0, the function is not defined. Such point is called as here pole of the function. So that equate to 0. Z minus 1 equals to 0. Then z equals to 1 is a pole of order 3. Pole of order 3. Okay, as now to find residues or residue of f of z. So that we had one formula, one rule. If z equal to a is a pole of order m, then residue of f of z at a equals to limit of z tends to a 1 by m minus 1 factorial m minus 1th derivative of z minus a whole power m into f of z. This is the formula for residue of a pole of order m. Okay, now here first, as per this, here also there is a one pole, its order is 3. Residue of f of z at z equal to present pole is 1. Limit of z tends to 1 by, here m is 2 minus 3 minus 1 factorial 3. Now here also 3 minus 1 is d square by dz square z minus 1 whole cube. F of z is given function z e power z by z minus 1 whole cube. Now here this is product of two functions, we can cancel these two. That equal to 1 by z tends to, here limit of z tends to 1. Limit of z tends to 1 by 2 factorial is 2 d square by dz square of z e power z. Here 1 by 2 is a purely number, right outside. Limit of z tends to 1, d square by dz square can be written as d by dz of d by dz, half function z e power z. This is ordinary differentiation of u into v form is there. So that d by dz of u into v. Here d by dz of u into v 1 by 2 limit of z tends to 1 d by dz of u into v formula z as it is, e power z differentiation e power z. Next e power z as it is, z differentiation is 1. After that 1 by 2 limit of z tends to 1, again differentiation of this with respect to z. So this is differentiation of this u into v formula z e power z plus e power z plus e power z differentiation is e power z. That equals to 1 by 2 limit of z tends to 1. Here z e power z plus e power z plus e power z is 2 e power z. After that, what is the next operator? Limit of z tends to 1. I mean, put z equals to 1 in play. Put z equals to 1. Now 1 e power 1, 2 e power 1. That equals to total number of e's are here 3. E plus 1 by 2e plus 2e. Here it is equals to 3e by 2. This is residue of f of z at z equals to 1 is 3e by 2. Okay. Second given question is f of z square z power 4 minus 1. This is the function defined in terms of z, so its name can be taken as f of z. Okay, after that poles. To get poles, equate denominator to 0. To find pole of f of z. To get pole, equate denominator to 0. Z power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Z power 4 equals to 1. Z power 4 equal to 1, instead of that, it is written as 1 square. Now z square whole square minus 1 square equal to 0. Here this is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Clear? Z power 4 equal to 1 not defined roots. So in this case, this is the better way. First, z power 4 can be written as z square whole square minus 1 square. This is similar to a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square can be written as again a plus b into a minus b. By equating each factor to 0, you can write values of z. Those are called as poles. Now, z square plus 1 equal to 0. Z square minus 1 equal to 0. Why? Because actually one more thing. Here power is 4. If you write z power 4 equal to 1, z equals to 1. But we need actually 4 roots. We should show that the given polynomial can be written as z power 4 minus 1 square. 4 can be written as square form of this one. This is totally a square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b. Then you can write 4 roots. Z square equal to minus 1. Z square equal to I square. Z equals to plus or minus I. After that, Z square equal to 1. Z equals to plus or minus 1. So total number of roots are 1 minus 1, I minus I. At each and every point you have to define residues. Before going to that, as per question, every point lies inside of the circle. Every point or lie inside of circle. Inside of circle, modulus of z equals to 2. Okay, now we need residues. Here residue, every pole of order is 1. So all are simple poles since z equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I are simple poles. Simple poles are nothing but order 1. Here this is the factor. Now power of whole power of this factor is 1. So that here every pole of order is 1. Such poles are called as here simple poles. For simple poles, we can define residue using procedure. Now, residue of f of z at simple pole. Z equal to A is given by formula. Residue of f of z at z equal to A is standard formula is limit of z tends to A, z minus A into f of z. Using this formula, you can clear residue of the function at each and every pole. So that next, residue of f of z at z equals to 1 equals to, as per formula, limit of z tends to 1, z minus 1 into f of z. Limit of z tends to 1, z minus 1 into f of z is nothing but function. What is the given function in the present question? Z square by z power 4 minus 1. Now here limit z tends to 1 is there. If you write z equal to 1, then numerator equal to 0, denominator also 0. If 0 by 0 is undefined value, in this case we have to expand z power minus 1 also. Z power 4 minus 1 expansion. It is written as z power z square whole square minus 1 square. Now this is a square minus b square, already we discussed just now before. A square minus b square written as a plus b into a minus b. Z square plus 1, no formula for this. But again this is a square minus b square form is there. Here there is a minus. You can expand this one using algebraic formula a square minus b square. So this is a plus b into a minus b. Now these are the factors. Limit of z tends to 1. Still can write z square plus 1 also. Z square minus of minus 1. This is z plus 1 into z minus 1. Again here z square minus I square. Z plus 1 into z minus 1. Now the first factor also a square minus b square form, a plus b into a minus b into z plus 1 into z minus 1. This is the expansion of z power 4 minus 1, or just now we cleared z power 4 minus 1 roots. From these roots also we can write factors. If z equal to 1 is a root, factor is z minus 1. If z equal to minus 1 is a root, factor is z plus 1. If z equal to I is a root, z minus I. Z equal to minus I, z plus I is a factor. Likewise, from roots also we can write factors instead of this calculation part. Okay, now z minus 1 into e z square by z power 4 minus 1 expansion is z plus 1 into z minus 1 into z minus I into z plus I. Now cancellation, z minus 1 get cancel. Now you can substitute z equal to 1, then there is no 0 by 0 form. 1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 1 minus I. Here 1 plus I. Simplification. 1 by 2 into a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Again it will be 2. 1 square plus I square. So that answer is here 1 by 4. So this is clear. Next, residue of f of z at the second pole, z equal to minus 1. Formula, z tends to minus 1. F of z into z minus 1. Z minus a is nothing but z plus a. Limit of z tends to minus 1. Z plus 1 into f of z is nothing but z square by z power 4 minus 1. Z power 4 minus 1. Now you substitute z equal to minus 1 in place of z. Z equal to minus 1, then numerator is 0, denominator also 0. 0 by 0 form is undefined value. In this case, we have tried factors of denominator. Limit of z tends to minus 1, z minus 1 into z plus 1 into z square by expansion of this from the roots, z plus 1, z minus 1, z plus I, z minus I. cancellation. Now you can substitute z equal to minus 1. So that minus 1 whole square is 1. Here minus 2. Minus 1 plus I, also written as I minus 1. Here also minus 1 minus I. That equal to 1 by minus 2 into I minus 1, I plus 1, minus as common. That equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b into a minus b. This is also I square minus b square. A square is I square is minus 1. Here it is also minus 1. Totally the result is minus 2. So that minus 2. Result is minus 1 by 4. Okay. After that, fourth point. Residue of f of z at z equals to I. As per formula, limit of z tends to I, z minus I into f of z. Limit of z tends to I, z minus I into f of z is z square by z power 4 minus 1. Now this is a purely limit problem. Put z equals to I, then numerator is 0, denominator also 0. I power 4 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So that we have tried factors of denominator. Limit of z tends to I, z minus I into z square by z plus 1, z minus 1, z plus I, z minus I. Now z minus I get cancelled. Now you can substitute z equal to I square by here z plus I. Next z minus I. Here also z plus I. Here remaining is z square by z plus 1, z minus 1, z plus I. Now you can substitute z equal to I. Here I square, I plus 1, I minus 1, I plus I is to I. That equal to, here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, it is 2. I square is minus 1 by, this is 2, 2i. Total number is minus 1 by 4i. This is the residue of f of z at z equals to I. Here z equal to minus I. Formula. Limit of z tends to minus I. Z minus z plus I. F of z. Formula z minus a. Z minus is nothing but z minus of minus I, z plus I. Limit of z tends to minus I, z plus I, f of z is z square by z power 4 minus 1. Here also write z equal to minus I, then numerator 0, denominator of 0, 0 by 0 form is undefined. So that z plus I, z square, denominator can be expanded as z plus 1, z minus 1, z plus I, z minus I, plus I, z plus I cancel. Now you can substitute z equal to minus I. Minus I whole square by minus I plus 1, minus I minus 1, minus I minus I. Here is I square only. I square is nothing but minus 1. Here also this is what we can write here, first positive 1 minus I. Here it is minus as common, then this is 1 plus I. Here it is minus 2i. Minus minus cancel. Here 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 2. Already minus 2i. Totally minus 1 by, only 1 by 4i. Minus 1 by 4i. Here there are 4 questions. To each and every function you have to define poles and residues. Okay, first question. The first function defined in terms of z, so its name can be taken as first f of z. Z square minus 1 by z square minus 2z. It is also written as z square minus 1 by z of z minus 2. For poles, consider denominator to 0. Now from this z equal to 0, z equal to 2. Here power is 1 for both, so are simple poles. At each and every pole you have to define residue. So that for simple poles, residue formula, residue of f of z at z equal to a is limit of z tends to a, z minus a into f of z. Here z equal to a is a simple pole. As per this rule, you can define corresponding residues. So that the first one, residue of f of z at z equal to 0, limit of z tends to 0, z minus 0, f of z. F of z is nothing but a function z square minus 1 by z of z minus 2. This is the function. So that here limit of z tends to 0, this is z of z square minus 1 by z of z minus 2. Cancellation. Now you can substitute z equal to 0 in place of z. Z equal to, by writing z equal to 0, numerator is minus 1, here minus 2. Total result is 1 by 2. Okay, next point. Residue of f of z at second point. Residue of f of z at z equals to, second point is here 2. Now limit of z tends to 2, z minus 2, f of z. F of z is nothing but z square minus 1 by z of z minus 2. This is the function. Now these two get cancelled. Now you can write in place of z equals to 2. Now 2 square is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here this is z equal to 2. 3 by 2 is the residue. That's it. Second question. Second function is defined in terms of z. So its name also can be taken as f of z. F of z equals to z square minus 2z by z plus 1 whole square z square plus 1. Now for poles, of f of z, equate denominator to 0, z square plus 1 equal to 0. Now equate each factor to 0. First factor is here z plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Second factor is z square plus 1 equal to 0. Now z plus 1 equal to 0, z equals to minus 1 is a pole of order 2. Power of this factor is 2, so pole of order 2. After that, z square equal to minus 1, also written as I square. Z square equal to I square, z equal to plus or minus I. So that here z equals to I comma minus I are also poles, but order is 1. Whole to the power of, what is the factor? Power is here 1. So that these two are called as simple poles or simple poles of f object. Simple poles of f object. Now residue. First we have to define residue of first pole z equals to minus 1, but the order is 2, so that corresponding formula residue of, now residue of f object, but here the first pole order is 2, so we have to use corresponding formula to get residue of f object. For this, first corresponding formula, if z equal to a is a pole of order m, then residue of f of z at z equal to a is given by limit of z tends to a 1 by m minus 1 factorial m minus 1th derivative of z minus a whole power m into f object. According to this, the present point is z equals to minus 1. Limit of z tends to minus 1, 1 by m is the order. What is the order here? 2. So that 2 minus 1 factorial. Here also 2 minus 1 is d by dz of 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So d by dz. Z minus a. A is here minus 1. Minus 1 minus plus 1. What is the power here? 2. M is 2. F of z function. What is the given function in the present question? Z square minus 2z by z plus 1 whole square, z square plus 1. This is the function. Okay. Now this is purely product relation, so can cancel z plus 1 whole square, z plus 1 whole square. Limit of z tends to minus 1, here it is equals to 1. So that d by dz of remaining part is z square minus 2z by z square plus 1. Now differentiation of this one. This is u by v form. So that limit of z tends to minus 1. As per this, u by v formula is v into z plus 1. D by dz of u. So 2z minus 2 minus here z square minus 2z. Differentiation of this one is 2z by z square plus 1 whole square, u by v formula. After that, you can write z equal to minus 1. Limit. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 4. Minus. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 minus 2 into minus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. By minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 whole square is 4. Here total answer is minus 8 plus 6 by 4 equals to minus 2 by 4 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 is the residue of given function. Next, residue of f object. Next pole I at z equals to I. But I is a simple pole. So for simple pole formula is limit of z tends to I, z minus I into f of z. That equal to limit of z tends to I, z minus psi. F of z is nothing but given function. Given function is z square minus 2z by z plus 1 whole square, z square minus 1, z square plus 1. Now substitute z equals to I. Now if you write z equal to I minus I is 0. Here also I minus I square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 0. Numerator 0, denominator also 0 for z equal to I. So 0 by 0 form is undefined. In this case we have to write factors of either numerator or denominator. But here in numerator we can write factors of the denominator. Z square plus 1 is nothing but z square plus 1 can write z square minus of minus 1, that equal to z square minus I square. Factors z plus I into z minus I. Otherwise another way also easier. If 0 by 0 form is there, we have to expand those using roots also. Here what is the root here? The root is z equal to I, z equal to minus I. Factors are z minus I into z plus I. So that as per this, limit of z tends to I, z minus I into z square minus 2z by z plus 1 whole square, z square plus 1 can be written as z plus I into z minus I. Now these two are get cancelled. Now you can substitute z equals to I square minus 2I by I plus 1 whole square. I plus I is 2I. Here I square is nothing but minus 1. This is a plus b whole square formula. I square, I a plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here it is minus 1 plus 1 plus 2I. So totally its value is 2I. So that 2I into 2I, that equals to minus of 1 plus 2I by 2 into 2 4, I into I square is minus 1, totally minus 4. It cancel. Residue of f of z at z equals to I is plus 1 plus 2I by 4. Similarly at third point, next we need residue of f of z at z equals to minus. Here this is also simple pole, so that the corresponding formula is limit of z tends to minus I. Z minus a minus of minus plus into f of z. Limit of z tends to minus I, z plus I, f of z function is z square minus 2z by z plus 1 whole square, z square plus 1. Okay. Now write z equal to minus I. Then this is 0. If you write z equal to minus I plus I 0, numerator 0. Here also write minus I whole square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 by 0 form is undefined. So that we have to write factors. Limit of z tends to minus I, z plus I, z square minus 2z by z plus 1 whole square, already in the factor form, but it can be written as from the roots z plus I into z minus I. Now cancellation. Now put z equal to minus I in play. Minus I whole square minus 2 into minus I by minus I plus 1 whole square. Here minus I minus I. That equals to I square is minus 1. Already minus I square. Minus I whole square is I square. I square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2I. Here this is 1 minus I whole square. 1 minus I whole square. A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here it is 1 minus I. Minus I square is minus 1. So that minus 2I. Plus I minus I get cancelled. Minus 2I is there. So that value of this one is minus 2I. It is minus 2I. Totally it is written as minus as common 1 minus 2I by 2 into 2 is 4. I into I square minus 1 total minus 4. 4 cancel, that equal to 1 minus 2I by 4 is the residue of z